So how does laughter yoga actually work?
Well, just like that. So we simulate it into the body to override the conscious
Do
brain.
you do positions though as well? Like
Laughter exercise.
Proper yoga?
Not quite.
Okay.
Not quite. But the yoga that we talk about is the yoga breathing.
Yep.
All right, so we laugh, we clap, we breathe, and the breathing is the yoga breathing. So we actually, between the laughs, just take a moment out to do the deep belly breathing and just relaxing the jaw and just sighing it out, and then we hit them with another laugh, another laugh, another laugh, and then we do the yoga breathing. So that's
I want to do one.
Sure.
I want to come do one.
Sure. Well, we're just down the road, 10-minute walk from here.
Oh, I'll come.
So come along to one of our laughter classes. It's an experience that everyone should have at least once.
Yeah, I want to do it for sure. What time are they? When do they?
6 o'clock to 7 o'clock every Tuesday night at South Bank, the Boyd Community Centre. Doing a blatant plug here.
Yeah,
but there's Laughter Clubs Victoria, there's Laughter Yoga Australia, there's clubs all around Australia, in fact, all around the world.
I'm going to do one.
Yeah.
I've never done a laughter class before.
Yep, there you go.
I'm obsessed with self-development. I'm not even self-development. I'm just obsessed with mood and happiness and wellness. You know, like I've been taking magic mushrooms for the last 18 months in a therapeutic setting for myself and just trying to figure it out for myself if I think it works. You know, I meditate every day. I have gratitude journal and I'm doing a lot of work on my gut health because of the gut and brain connection and so forth. And it's just something that my grandpa took his own life, and then I've got like lots of stuff going through my family of mental health, and it's just I'm actually intrigued by the whole idea, and I would love to check it out.
Well, when you get into Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, it's about holistic health. It's about the whole body, not just curing the symptoms of the disease. So they go through the energy centers, the chakras, and mental and physical health is only 2 of the 7. You know, it's complex. We've got to work on all 7 of them, align them, open them up. And that's what true holistic health is all about. So, everybody is obsessed with mental health. I'm going, what about emotional health? What about social health? What about self-health? What about the other energy centers of your body? And that's the traditional medicine that's been around 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 years ago, which for the last 200 years we've just forgotten about.